In this tutorial, we're going to create a mask text reveal, just like you've seen at the very beginning of this video, because it's a real cool effect. I'll put links in the description box below the video where you can get the dust explosion from. So this is a dust explosion here. Let's drag this to the first track. Right click on it, go to Properties, Media, go to Alpha Channel, select Straight Unmattered, so you can see it. This file is around 650 gigabytes. It's a massive file. I have my preview window set to draft auto, and it still lags. It's just a real big file. It's 4K as well. So now let's continue with the video here. Now let's go to media generators, legacy text, drag to the second track. We're going to call this eyes. I'm going to change this to my favorite font, impact, placement. Let's go the other way first. That should be good. Let's grab my video, project media. Set a third track. Now on this track, on the text track, go to compositing mode. Select multiply mask. Go to event, pan and crop. Actually, let's move this cursor. Right there should be fine. We're going to do a fade in. Let's go to event, pan and crop. Set a keyframe right here. And stop it right about there. We're going to zoom in. Looks something like this. With the smoke from the explosion, it's going to cover all that. So it's going to really lag here because, like I said, this is a real huge file. So I'll put it back. Lagging. The explosion. Revealing the text in behind. Oops, supposed to make it the same length as the video. Try that one more time. See the explosion and the text being revealed in behind. And the eye opening. So it gives it a real cool looking effect. So you can use this for introductions to videos, or just use your imagination. But if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.